A few best practices for account receivable management. Accounts receivable is typically one of the company's largest and most visible asset on the balance sheet. Managing such a large asset is an activity of paramount importance, as poor receivable management may hinder cash flow and cause the company to incur bad debt expenses. Companies should consider a recommended set of best practices when managing the receivable. For example, companies should run a check for the new customers to complete a credit assessment before proceeding for extending a credit or signing up a new business. For this, companies should collect necessary information to perform this credit check according to their own standards and criteria from multiple sources. This can also include credit references and make sure to contact them to ensure that the potential client is creditworthy. Timely invoicing is an essential practice to develop to expedite payment from customers. Many customers customarily pay their invoices late as part of their accounting policy. However, timely invoicing can prompt them to pay their invoices quicker. Because delayed payments from customers can have a profound impact on a small business cash flow. The importance of sending customers their invoice in a timely manner is vital to maintain the successful business. Sales discounts to encourage early payments are a best practice that can improve the cash flow of a business. The discount offered should be enough to provide an incentive to the customers to pay the invoice within the specific time period, but small enough to avoid profit margin erosion. It is essential to inform customers that the discount will not be honored and applicable if payment is received after the discount date listed on the invoice, as this alleviates potentially damaging confrontations at the later dates. It is essential to have a plan of action when attempting to collect a debt from the customers who are delinquent. Attempt to contact the customers before taking action. Any action should be taken after your attempts to collect the cash. So I'll recommend to proactively start communicating with your customers right after submitting your invoice, as this is the cheapest and quickest way to resolve debt. However, it may necessary be to pursue the other courses of actions, including mediation, arbitration, and referring to external debt collection agencies. Mediation and arbitration are legally acceptable ways that bring the sellers and buyers together to negotiate a settlement. Mediation allows the two parties to determine a solution, whereas arbitration provides for a resolution determined by a court appointed arbitrator. So rather than these two solutions, which might be a bottleneck for your future business, you can use a debt collection agency as a last resort, as they can be costly and are not required to accept every case referred to them. I hope it was quite good enough for you guys. You enjoyed it. Looking forward to talk to you again. Thank you very much. Bye bye.